John with episode 10 of Secret Ingredient Cooking here. Episodes 0 through 9 have not been filmed yet, but they will be soon, so check back. Today what we're doing is a spicy honey mustard dipping sauce. It involves 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon Dusseldorf mustard, and 1 teaspoon of the oil from Hot Jardiniere. If you're not familiar, Jardiniere is a Chicago institution that is almost legally written into the requirements for serving Italian beef. And this oil is very nice, adds a nice kick to something. We have pre-measured everything, as is usual with the case of cooking shows. And now we have one last ingredient to add, the secret ingredient, love. Okay, we now stir and have a very nice spicy honey mustard dipping sauce. You may not be familiar with the use of that secret ingredient in the context of cooking shows, but you are familiar with people asking you to like and subscribe, so please do that. And I will see you on the flip burger side.